How to earn money from YouTube in 2023. Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel Basra Tech Guru. Today, we've got a fantastic topic for all you students out there. Whether you're in high school or college, we understand that making some extra cash can be a huge help. So, in this video, we're going to discuss the how to earn money from YouTube in 2023. Are you excited? I know I am. So, let's dive right in. It's well known that YouTube can be seriously lucrative for its content creators. The beauty of the platform is that it's easier than ever to get paid for doing what you love, creating videos. That said, if you're new to the game, it can be difficult to understand how to monetize your YouTube videos and start making money. The possibilities are endless, from the YouTube Partners Program, branded merch, to affiliate marketing. In this article, we walk you through all the different revenue streams available to YouTubers so that you can take your pick and start making money from your content. If you are searching for how to earn money from YouTube in 2023, then you caught the right page on the internet. In this video, I will guide you step by step that how to earn money from YouTube in 2023. YouTube has become one of the most popular video sharing platforms in the world, with millions of users watching videos on a daily basis. But did you know that you can also earn money from YouTube? In this blog post, we will discuss how to earn money from YouTube and the different strategies you can use to monetize your content. Create engaging content. To earn money from YouTube, you need to have a YouTube channel and create engaging content that will attract viewers. Your content can be in any format, such as tutorials, reviews, vlogs, or even entertainment videos. The key is to create content that is valuable, unique, and interesting to your target audience. Build a following. Once you have created engaging content, the next step is to build a following. The more subscribers you have, the more views and engagement your videos will receive, and the more money you can make. You can build a following by promoting your channel on social media, collaborating with other YouTubers, and engaging with your audience by responding to comments and messages. Join the YouTube Partner Program. To start earning money from YouTube, you need to join the YouTube Partner Program. To join, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the past 12 months. Once you are approved, you can monetize your videos by displaying ads on your content. Use affiliate marketing. Another way to earn money from YouTube is through affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services in your videos and providing a link to the product or service in the description box. If someone clicks on the link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Crowdfunding. In conclusion, earning money from YouTube requires hard work, dedication, and creativity. By creating engaging content, building a following, and using different monetization strategies, you can turn your YouTube channel into a profitable business. However, it's important to remember that success on YouTube takes time, so be patient and keep creating great content. How to get 1K subscribers and 4K watch time. Getting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours is one of the requirements to join the YouTube Partner Program and monetize your channel. Here are some tips on how to get there. Create high-quality content. Create high-quality, engaging, and interesting content that people will want to watch and share. This is the most important factor in attracting viewers and growing your channel. Optimize your channel. Optimize your channel by choosing a niche, creating a catchy channel name, writing compelling descriptions and titles, and creating eye-catching thumbnails. Promote your videos. Promote your videos on social media, forums, and other online communities to drive traffic to your channel. Engage with your audience. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages, asking for feedback, and creating content based on their interests and preferences. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche to reach a wider audience and gain new subscribers. Use YouTube Analytics. Use YouTube Analytics to track your channel's performance, identify trends, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Be consistent. Consistency is key in growing your channel. Post new videos on a regular basis, and make sure they are of high quality and relevant to your niche. Remember that growing your channel takes time and effort, but by following these tips and being persistent, you can reach the 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hour thresholds and start earning money from your channel. How do you get paid by YouTube? Once you've put in the hard work to monetize your channel and content through the YPP, it's time to get paid. But you may be wondering how exactly you receive payment from YouTube. YouTube pays through AdSense, which is why you need to link up your account to your YouTube channel when first joining the YPP. A little note, you won't be paid as soon as you start earning. Instead, your earnings need to pass certain thresholds before AdSense starts sending you your money. Here's how getting paid through AdSense works. 1. If you live in specific locations, you'll need to input your tax information and verify your identity before you can get paid. 2. Once you've earned above the address verification threshold, above $10, you'll receive a PIN in the mail. This is how AdSense verifies that you live at the address listed on your account. Once you input the PIN into your account, AdSense can start issuing payments to you. 3. When your earnings go above $10, you'll need to select your payment method. When you first create your account, you will have inputted either your bank account or PayPal details. At this point, you can choose how your money is sent to you. Select between electronic funds transfers, EFT, check, wire transfer, or receiving money through Western Union or Rapida. 4. You will only start receiving payments when your unpaid earnings surpass AdSense's payment threshold, which is $100. And you will receive a monthly payment. Monetizing your YouTube videos. Although the YPP is a straightforward way to monetize your YouTube content, it's not the only way to make money on YouTube. So what other ways do YouTubers make money? License your content to the media. Licensing your videos out essentially means giving other media platforms or organizations the right to replay your content for a fee. Either leave it to media outlets to contact you directly or try listing your video on marketplaces like Jukin Media. Get your fans to pay you directly. If you've got a loyal and committed audience, chances are they'll want to support you and your work. Whether you're looking for a regular supplementary income stream or need some extra cash for a specific project, fan funding is an effective way of making money from your YouTube channel. As we saw, the YPP makes it easy to encourage your viewers to support you financially in exchange for special perks or exclusive content. That said, there are other ways to get your fans to pay you directly, namely through crowdfunding. Use crowdfunding if you're asking your fans to make a regular contribution to support you and your channel. You should look into setting up a Patreon account. Just like the YPP, you can offer membership perks such as exclusive or early access videos, member-only live streams, or members-only merch. Whereas if you're raising money for a particular project, platforms like GoFundMe or Kickstarter are probably better options. Become an affiliate partner. Affiliate marketing is a great way to monetize your YouTube channel if you haven't yet got a super big following. Affiliate marketing is low risk for the brand involved because they only pay you when and if your viewers buy one of their products. All you need to do is promote their product to your viewers, encouraging them to use your affiliate link. You'll get a proportion of any sales made off the back of your videos. Become an Amazon influencer. A common example of affiliate marketing is the Amazon Influencer Program. When you sign up, you have to start promoting Amazon products on your channel. You can then choose to include an affiliate link directly to the products or through to your customized Amazon storefront in your video description. You'll earn commission on qualifying purchases made through your affiliate link or Amazon storefront. Note that Amazon does check whether you have a YouTube channel and looks at the number of subscribers your channel has and other engagement metrics when reviewing your application to become an Amazon influencer. Create sponsored content. As we saw, YouTube now has its very own service to connect YouTubers with brands. However, this isn't the only way to start creating sponsored content. Plus, if you manage to strike a deal yourself, it means that you don't have to cut YouTube. Sponsorship deals can arise organically. If you gain enough of a following or create content in a specific niche, you may find that brands start approaching you themselves. Approach brands with an offer. It's always good practice to send over a brand or channel pitch that outlines what you are offering them. If they like what they see, they'll provide you with a partnership, and you can start creating sponsored content. However, if you don't want to wait around, it's on you to take the initiative. Remember, there are a lot of advertising regulations that you need to adhere to, so make sure you're clued up on what that entails.